Hello everyone, I am going to talk about face oils today. So I love talking about these. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. They are labeled number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I will talk about what face oils are, why you would use a face oil, and maybe which one might be best for you. Of course, always message me and we can talk about fitting it into your current routine, or if you're just starting out with Beauty Counter, just like I was, this was my first product that I bought. I bought the face oil and the body butter. So I knew I needed to add hydration in my life, and both of those covered my body and my face. And so I don't even know what I was using as a cleanser, right? Probably just bar soap. But this, I saw a huge difference in my skin as I had trialed some samples of another face oil, and it was an argan oil. And I realized the difference between that oil and this oil was the quality. So that was a synthetic oil. We only use high quality oils. So you will notice that it actually soaks into your skin. So you're not walking around all shiny, and you can actually put your makeup on afterwards, right? If you so choose to. A lot of times I don't. Why you would use a face oil is to either add hydration, target a problem that you want to target, either adding brightness back to your skin. If you find that your skin's dull, it can help with acne. It can help, that hydration. It can add, take away and help with some sunspots. So we have all different oils for different types of skin. And so I'll get into that in a second of maybe what category you might fit into. I use 2. And so we don't use any silicones. We use no petroleum products, which have hydrocarbons in there. And that's something you want to stay away from, and putting that directly onto your skin because it soaks into your skin. How do you use a face oil? So you can't really do it wrong. I'm pretty sure I didn't read the directions when I got it, but it says 1 to 2 drops or 2 to 3. For me, that wasn't enough. But I would wash my face with God knows what. Definitely different stuff now. But it's baby steps, right? So you're just slowly transitioning, and that's what I was doing. And I thought, okay, I know this face oil is better than what I was using. So I started with the number 3 oil. I was really dry. I had chapped cheeks. I wanted to add hydration. And I was in Montana at the time, so it was really cold. So the balancing oil, the number 3 oil, helped with some of those issues, and I'll get into that too. So you can use it alone as a moisturizer, which is what I did. So I'd wash my face, put a couple drops into my hand, and then I would press it into my skin. And another way you can use it is you can add it to your moisturizer. So you can either put the oil on first and then your moisturizer, or you can add a drop or 2 into the moisturizer when it's in your hand. And that can be your day lotion or your night cream, whatever you prefer. So you just kind of have to play around with what works best for you. I think I covered how to use, why you would use it, and why we're different. And so now I'm going to talk about the different kinds. So the number 1 oil, I love the smell. It has a citrus smell to it. It's vitamin C, it's brightening. So it has avocado oil in it, which has vitamin B, D, and E, which helps with the hydration. It has black currant oil in it, which is really rich in omega acids, and it's helping promote a healthy skin and even skin tone. So if you find that maybe, uneven skin tone, maybe some sunspots, and you're already using the peel, because that's my number 1 product that I would suggest for those, and you want to add something into your moisturizer, or you need the moisturizing, this vitamin C oil would be great for you. Number 2 is the plumping oil, and this has jasmine in it. So it has a subtle floral scent. So if you love floral scents, you're gonna love this. If floral is not for you, I would probably stay away from this oil. The floral scent that comes from the jasmine is going to help with hydration, and the argan oil helps minimize fine lines, right? So this is the number 2 plumping oil. Number 3, which is one of my favorites, and I put this in my rotation, has ylang ylang in it, which helps with moisture, and chamomile, which is very soothing, gives clarity, it's calming and balancing. The meadowfoam seed oil helps restore balance. So if you find that maybe you are oily or acne prone, this might be the face oil for you to add in. So a lot of times people you know, think, oh, if I have oily skin, I can't use a face oil. This is a great oil to add in to get that hydration, but also help with that combo skin. So this is the oil that I will use if I'm sunburn or windburn, or my cheeks are real red, ready from being outside. I also just love the smell of this. So these are the 3 face oils. If you have any questions, please let me know and I am happy to help. Thanks.